We do have Nooresh Mirani as well as Kunal Bothra as always with us in the studio. Kunal, hi, good morning. Let me begin by asking you very sideways for the Indian market, but for what it is worth, we finally ended in the green yesterday. Does it mean that we have made a bottom for now?
Good morning. So yeah, I think we rallied up quite well yesterday, 150 plus points for the Nifty and more than 500 plus points for the Bank Nifty. More importantly, I think the last 2 days of candlestick pattern, the one which was there on Friday as well as the one which was there yesterday, that is generally considered to be a bullish candlestick pattern as a combination. Now, what this also means is that if the Friday's low is not broken for the indices, we could be looking at a decisive trend reversal potentially, as well as a strong potential bounce back for the index. Now there are a couple of factors which should aid the markets going forward. One is the significant drop in the VIX, because from a 15 plus 15 and a half plus kind of a mark for the India VIX, we are now settling into a range of 13 to 13 and a half odd for the India VIX. That's a very good signal, because when the volatility stables down, we expect the markets to generally pick up trend as well as go into an uptrending mode. And the second, the most important part is that this is the expiry week. So there's going to be a strong possibility that because of the expiry week, the rollovers should take the index into more of a stable zone. So I think on the back of this, I would believe that the last 2 days back low for the index 23,650, 700 thereabouts, that's a very strong support, and if we don't break that, I think there is a strong potential bounce for the index just about the 24,000 plus mark.
All right, thanks for that. Let's also get in Nooresh's take then on the markets and find out what he's making of the overall trade setup. Nooresh, we put the brakes on that 5-day losing streak for the markets, holding out in the green. Do you believe that we can pick up on this momentum, and which sectors do you believe will lead from the front?
So for now, it's a one-day pause, and what we've seen over the last 3 weeks is we see one big candle, one big day, and for the next 4 or 5 days, we stay in that band. So if we start going beyond this band, which is say Friday's highs of 24,000, 24,050, that's the time you get bullish, and only below 23,500 you get bearish. So for now, it's a 500 pointer range for this week at least. So about 24,050 would become bullish. Stock specific and sector specific continue to believe going forward it has to be banks if there has to be any rally, because that's a sector which has not done as much over the last 1 or as well as 4 years in terms of relative outperformance, and majority of the stocks in this sector have very low returns for the last 3-4 years, some of the heavyweights. So banking is the sector to watch out for.
Okay, so that's the take coming in on the markets right now, but let's...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.